Alrighty. Our trade recap today. So, pretty much, and get into that as well. We are also got a slim schedule because so pretty much we come from school and got a little gap in between while I wait for the second bus because I'm going to go in the gym because if you don't know, Nikita Zoo's fighting in Zoo Castle next Wednesday. A little promo for him. He's coming to do I'll say it now because this video is going to get posted after it happens. Doing like a media training session, like an exclusive thing for like our gym, and then I think the Jets are coming, and it's like a little media thing, and Glenn and shit will be there. So that's what I'm going to after this. So I'm going to quickly get this in between, hopefully edit it and get it ready to post tonight. Preferably I have it published and then it's scheduled to upload. So let's get into this trade recap. This is last night's trade. Start new. I'll just do it on bar. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Santa's coming to town. Remember that from Elf? Or am I by myself? Alrighty, whatever. So about last night's video, that was kind of buns. I wasn't talking for shit. It was like, pretty fucked. Right. High time frame draws and liquidity. Actually, you know what I did? It's actually pretty cooked what I did. Because I had 43 left on the funder, I thought, oh fuck, well let's just go all in. So I did like a buy, sell stop on fucking market open, and I thought, hopefully we get lucky. And I did it, and I made like $120. Like the most undeserving $120 I've ever made in my life. Anyways. Alright, so original bias is we got an SMT of Asia. For this SMT, we done 5 minute, actually we got a 30 minute market out of sessions. Fuck. 9:38 and 3 o'clock. Let's play out 1/2 hour. The candle saw we're right on 9:30. So our bias is it was really a mix. So it was kind of bullish, kind of bearish because of that SMT. So we're really just looking for something to convince us if we're going to go long or short. Because it was my strong bias was off rip. We're probably, if we can get a pullback into equilibrium, we can look for longs. And that's kind of what I wanted. And we broke structure on NQ. Didn't on here. So that's also an SMT. That's what the SMT is. So pretty much let's just go on the 5 minute. See what we get. Let's play out the first 3 candles. 2. So that's our first 15-minute candle. So on the first 15-minute candle, we break structure, inverse a gap. Yep, inverse a gap. But we also sweep all of this. Low resistance 5-minute liquidity. See that there. ES doesn't. S&P doesn't. So S&P is not really the index we want to take this trade on because, what was it again? I think it was because of our hourly structure. Or NQ just gave me a better entry. NQ gave me the better entry that I liked. Let's go here. Cut that high there. Inverse that. Actually, no. That's a gap that gets created. That hasn't been created yet. So we're breaking structure to the downside. So we're looking bearish. Now, I was going to take a short here. And I thought, no, I'm going to be disciplined and wait for something else. Because am I seriously going to take a short when we didn't even fill the fair value gap here? And ES did. That's also why my bias was different. That's what I meant. So NQ had that. That's why I didn't want to take a short, because we didn't fill on the gap. So I thought, okay, well, we're probably going to, so that inverse. So the bias was, so we came down. We're probably not going to dump because we need to fill that fair value gap. And even if we do inverse it, then we've got an upside. So we're already taking a long, remember? So I'm thinking, so I'm pretty sure this is going to come back and worst case scenario, takes out take profit 1, stops me out of break even, that's still a win on the day. So I believe we enter on the next candle, it's a little down candle. We enter on the 1 minute. We'll enter on this 1 minute candle that was a little push down. Entered there, we got stopped out almost straight away. So we got the stop loss there. But, and that was off the inversion of that bullish gap. Now what went wrong was I didn't wait for a what do you call it? Retrace. So I should have waited for a retrace. Yes, we broke structure again, but we still retrace. So if we got a break of structure here, and we do get it, so I know we do. Any day now. Okay, now it's going to be bearish. Okay, right here was the entry. What should have been the entry? My entry was there. That should have been the entry. Even ES was probably the better index to take it on. And because NQ was more bearish, we had to wait for that to break structure to take it long. So ES, we'll just mark that out just for the sake of it. What are we going to target? Probably TP1 here. Or on NQ, because it might have been to get a 1-to-1 on this high, because you get a 1 to 1.45 and then target all these. What happens? TP1, stop loss to break even. Yep. So pretty much that plays out and all TP's here. So that's what I should have done. Anyways, it's alright. It's alright. And probably should have taken it on ES. But I took the that long too early. I should have been more patient. But as well, I've got to get to sleep as well. So I was kind of like, that's why it's kind of been rushing trees and that's why it's been awkward. So anyways, thanks for watching.